Giant structures. From their name, they are giant. They are big structures. Take a look at this picture, for example, and see how big the structure is. This is a giant structure. A giant structure is made up of a huge number of atoms or ions. So there is a very large number of atoms or ions. Remember, an ion is an atom with a charge, either a positive or a negative charge. They are arranged in a regular way. So these atoms or ions are organized in a regular way without a covalent bond. There are atoms or ions, but they are not connected by a covalent bond like in the molecular structure. So a giant structure is characterized by atoms or ions organized in a regular way without a covalent bond. The number of particles is not fixed. This means that the number can change, either increase or decrease, but it's not fixed. So there are three characteristics for the giant structures. First of all, they are made up of a huge number of atoms or ions. They are arranged in a regular way, and the number of particles is not fixed. There are three types of giant structures. First of all, giant metallic structure, so they are made up of metals. Giant ionic structures, so there is a presence of ions, which could be positive or negative, so they either lost or gained electrons. And giant covalent structure. We will study the three types in details in later videos.